Okay, so now I've got the functionality in there. I now need to assign a point if somebody gets the question correct. Need to hit frame 20 and assign a point. So to do that, I'm going to go click on my actions panel, and I'm going to go find frame 20 right there. And here I'm going to set a variable. I'm going to say variable gender question equals 1. So they got 1 point there for the question, getting the question right, go into frame 20. Okay, next I'm going to I'm going to display that the score has been gotten. So what I'm going to do is create a new layer. So I did that by clicking on that new layer button. And I'm going to call this layer scoreboard. I've got my other layers locked down for the moment. And I'm going to create a keyframe on frame 20. And now I'm going to get my text tool and drag out a text block here on frame 20 on my scoreboard layer. Okay, so I need to give this, if I go up to my properties panel, I need to give this a name. And I'm going to call this score underscore txt. And that underscore txt thing is just good naming practice for Actionscript. I'm going to make sure that this is set to dynamic text. So input text would allow your user to input his or her name or some sort of thing like that. For right now, we're just going to work with dynamic text. And we'll get into input text later, perhaps. We're going to go with the family Arial font, and we're going to click on the embed option. Oh, I should also mention this is classic text that we're using. There's also a, I think it's called text layout framework text. And we're not going to worry about that. We're going to just stick with the classic text for right now. Okay, we're going to embed this font Arial. And we're going to make sure that all the glyphs, all the font characters are included. Click OK. Okay, so that makes sure that regardless of what font you use, Flash will be able to display it correctly on any platform. Okay, and now with the playhead on frame 20 again, we're going to go to our Actionscript frame 20. And here we're going to tell score.text what to display. So score.text, we'll type that first. And then we have a little function .txt equals. Okay, so now we could type whatever we want. What we're going to do here is type the score is, and we're going to put that all in quotes, and then we're going to put a plus sign, and we're going to type in gender question. Okay, so this is text right here. And then in addition to that, we're going to print out this variable that we've defined, in this case, as 1. Okay. So let's see how that works out. Oh, And I had my actions layer locked, so I'm going to have to unlock that for that change to take effect. Okay, let's, oops. See how that works with a preview. I'm going to choose Roy. And it says, yes, that's right. The score is, and here it prints out my variable value 1. Okay, so take a minute and go ahead and catch up with that.